Hello everybody and welcome to CAD Yellow Weekly tutorial number 4. We are creating a simple and easy autumn landscape painting today. I've got a 14-inch by 11-inch acrylic paper here alongside the palette. And I have marked a horizontal line about a third from the bottom edge of the surface. The part above the line is for the sky and the part below is for the ground. To start, add some white paint onto the palette, take it on a flat brush and start applying on the surface above the horizontal line. Normally, I would add blue color first and then white to paint the sky. However, I recently observed that reversing the process helps me reduce the amount of paint needed. We are using Phthalo Blue for the sky. Add a tiny amount of this color directly to the surface and spread it using the same brush. The initial layer of white helps to spread this color nicely. Add the remaining white to spread the paint even further. No need to mix the colors evenly. The patchy effect gives the indication that there are some clouds in the sky. Add more white if needed and complete the sky part of the painting. Now it's time to paint the ground. Add some Sap Green and lemon yellow to the palette and mix together. And then apply this mix below the horizontal line using a clean flat brush, similar to how you painted the sky. It is quite a simple process. Now add some black and white to the green mix and create a greenish grey color. We'll paint a country road using this shade. Load this paint onto a small flat brush and using horizontal strokes, paint a curved road. Make sure that the width of the road increases as you move away from the horizontal line towards the bottom edge of the surface. After painting the initial layer, add some more black to the same mix and then paint a second layer. Next is to paint some distant trees and bushes. Add some mid-yellow to the palette and mix it with the Sap Green using a Filbert brush. Use the same brush to paint a tree line along the distant horizon. We don't need too much detail here, simply dab using the brush. Add a second layer of trees using a darker mix. After this, we can start painting the trees along the side of the road. For the tree trunks and branches, we will use the same dark mix that we used for painting the road. Start by painting the tree trunks using a small flat brush. And then take the same dark mix on a liner brush and paint the branches. Apply a white highlight along the tree trunks. Now it's time for the base layer of leaves. Mix all the colors on the palette to create a greenish grey shade and apply this over the branches using a sponge. Now, using a clean sponge, add a layer of lemon yellow. Next, add a layer of orange colored leaves using the same sponge. Please make sure you are not applying too much pressure. Gently dab using the sponge. Once you're happy with how the trees look, paint some fallen leaves on the road using the sponge. And finally, add a layer of autumn colors over the distant tree line to complete the painting. This is one of the simplest and easiest paintings you can try as a beginner. Please try it and let me know how it went. Stay healthy and stay safe.